Welcome! Today we're diving into the world of peri-peri sauce, a fiery, flavorful sauce that packs a punch with heat, tang, and a perfect balance of spices. Whether you're a fan of grilled chicken, roasted veggies, or just love adding a little kick to your meals, this homemade peri-peri sauce is a game changer. We're going to make it from scratch with simple ingredients you probably already have at home. Let's get started. All right. Let's start by gathering our ingredients for this fiery peri-peri sauce. First, grab about 10 to 12 fresh red bird's eye chilies. The hotter, the better. You'll also need 1 medium onion, finely chopped, and 6 cloves of garlic, minced to release that beautiful aroma. For the base, we've got a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to give it that perfect tang. Don't forget your spices. 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander. They'll add depth to the sauce. We'll also need a bit of oregano, black pepper, and salt to taste. For a touch of sweetness, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar are optional. And of course, some water to adjust the consistency later. If you like, you can also throw in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and a little fresh thyme or rosemary for an extra flavor kick. Ready to start cooking? Let's go! Before we get started, let's get all our ingredients ready. First, take your 10 to 12 fresh red bird's eye chilies. Remember, the more you use, the spicier the sauce will be. You can either chop them with seeds for extra heat, or remove the seeds if you prefer a milder version. Wear gloves if you're handling these, as they can irritate your skin. Next, chop 1 medium onion and mince 6 cloves of garlic. Now you're ready to start cooking. Heat a 1/4 cup of olive oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, toss in your chopped onion and let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring occasionally. You want it softened and slightly caramelized for that sweet, rich flavor. After that, add the minced garlic and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly to make sure the garlic doesn't burn. We're building up those aromatic flavors to form the base of the sauce. Now it's time to add the spices. Toss in the 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground coriander. Stir everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes so the spices can bloom and release their fragrance. Next, pour in a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup of water. If you're using tomato paste or any additional herbs, add them now. Stir everything together and bring it to a gentle simmer. Let this cook for about 5 minutes. This helps the flavors meld together and deepens the overall taste. Once everything is nicely simmered, let the mixture cool down a bit before blending. Pour everything into a blender or use an immersion blender right in the pot. Blend until smooth and make sure the texture is just how you like it, whether you want it totally smooth or a little chunky. Now taste the sauce. Adjust the seasoning with salt. Start with about 1 teaspoon and go from there. If you like your peri-peri sauce a little sweeter, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. Blend again to mix it all in. Now that your peri-peri sauce is ready, pour it into a jar or bottle and let it sit for at least 1 hour, or even overnight, so the flavors can really develop. This resting time helps bring all the ingredients together. When you're ready to use it, drizzle it over grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, or even use it as a marinade. Store any leftover sauce in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Lastly, here are some helpful tips for making your peri-peri sauce just the way you like it. If you want to adjust the heat, you can control the spiciness by using more or fewer bird's eye chilies. If you prefer a milder version, you can swap them for jalapenos or even bell peppers, still a great kick, just less intense. If the sauce gets too spicy, adding a bit more sugar or extra lemon juice can help balance it out. When it comes to texture, you can decide whether you want your sauce smooth or a little chunky. If you prefer more texture, just pulse the blender a few times instead of blending it until it's completely smooth. That will leave some chunks of the onion and chili, giving the sauce a rustic feel. If you prefer a more tangy sauce, add more vinegar. For a smoother, milder sauce, use less vinegar and a bit more lemon juice. For storage, keep the sauce in an airtight container or jar, and it'll stay fresh in the fridge for about 2 weeks. If you're making a big batch, you can even freeze it in ice cube trays, then pop out single servings whenever you need them. Lastly, if you want to experiment, try adding some tomato paste for a richer flavor or a pinch of fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary for an earthy twist. The beauty of this recipe is that you can really make it your own based on your tastes. Play around with the ingredients until you get the perfect balance of heat, tang, and sweetness. Now enjoy your homemade peri peri sauce.